Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Sunflower Grow Kit is probably one of the most rewarding and enjoyable gardening experiences you can have. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete novice, it's incredibly easy to grow these cheerful giants from the comfort of your home, and this video will guide you through everything you need to know to successfully cultivate your own sunflowers, from selecting the right kit to harvesting your blooms. We will cover all the essential aspects, ensuring you have a bountiful sunflower harvest. Number 5. Hapinest Flower Garden Kit. Let's get started with your gardening adventure. Everything you need is right here, ready to help your flowers grow. It's time to get creative. Personalize your planter with the 6 bright paint colors included. Make it uniquely yours. This isn't just any soil, it's OMRI listed and non-GMO, from the USA. You can feel good about using it. Follow the easy instructions to plant your zinnia, phlox, and daisy seeds. It's simple and fun for everyone. With a little care and attention, you'll soon see your flowers sprout and bloom. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. This isn't just a fun activity, it's an educational experience. Learn about plant life cycles and the joys of gardening. What we like. It's a great way to get kids involved in gardening. The kit lets them decorate their own planter, making it a fun and personal project. If you are looking for a fun and educational activity to do with your kids, you should consider this one. What people say. The quality of the materials is excellent, and the instructions are easy to follow, making it suitable for children of various ages. Plants grew very well. Can't get over how our seeds took off, not all of them, but how beautiful are these. Number 4. Back to the Roots Sunflower Kit. It's completely organic and non-GMO, so you don't have to worry about harmful substances affecting your plant's growth. It's a perfect spring activity, gift, or learning project for the whole family. This kit lets you grow sunflowers all year long, right on your windowsill. It's designed for indoor gardening enthusiasts who want an easy way to get started. Sunflowers are fast-growing, and this kit makes it even easier. You'll have your own mini sunflowers blooming in no time. Everything you need is included: seeds, a mason jar, organic soil, and fertilizer spikes. You'll see seedlings in about a week. Made in the USA with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy, just let us know, and we'll send you a replacement. Add water to dampen the soil, sprinkle seeds, cover with soil, and add more water. Place the lid on to increase humidity. It's that easy. What we like. This kit makes growing sunflowers simple and enjoyable, even for beginners. It's perfect for indoor gardening enthusiasts. If you like the convenience of having everything you need in one kit, you should consider this. What people say. The product package is attractive and the instructions are so easy to follow. I absolutely love the jar it came in. It is large and sturdy and looks great. The planter size was perfect for indoors. The quality and functionality are good and as to be expected. It grew within the 1 to 2 weeks it said. Number 3. Survival Garden Mammoth Sunflower Seeds. These sunflowers grow incredibly tall, reaching 8 to 12 feet. They produce beautiful, large blooms perfect for adding a dramatic touch to your garden. Admire their stunning display of color. And once they've finished blooming, harvest the delicious, nutritious seeds to enjoy yourself or share with the birds. Planting is simple, whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out. Each packet includes easy-to-follow instructions for a successful harvest. Plant these seeds now and enjoy the beauty and bounty this summer. Or store them for future planting. They'll stay viable for years if kept in a cool, dry place. Instructions are included on how to save seeds after harvest, allowing you to perpetuate your own sunflower crop and share with friends and family. These non-GMO heirloom seeds are carefully selected for high germination rates. We're a small, family-owned business committed to providing the best quality seeds. What we like. These sunflowers are known for their impressive size and delicious seeds. It's a rewarding experience for both beginner and experienced gardeners. If you are looking for a variety that produces large flowers and seeds, you should consider this one. What people say. 3 packs of pure sunflower madness. Enough seeds to create a sunflower forest. These grew pretty quickly as I was a little late to plant them this season. They were also incredibly simple and carefree. I grew them in 3 inches of store-bought compost and underneath was pure Georgia clay. Very happy so far, 100% germination rate. Number 2. Survival Garden Sunflower Seeds. These aren't just any seeds, they're a mix of popular, heirloom sunflower varieties, perfect for adding beauty and color to your garden. They'll delight you with their vibrant blooms in shades of yellow, orange, burgundy, and more. It's a feast for the eyes, and for the birds and bees too. This mix includes sunflowers of different sizes and heights, ensuring a stunning display throughout the blooming season. You'll have blooms for weeks. Plant them now and enjoy the beauty, or store them for future growing seasons. They'll remain viable for years if kept in a cool, dry place. Each packet comes with easy-to-follow instructions for planting and germination. Plus, learn how to save seeds for future harvests. These non-GMO seeds are from a small, American family-owned business dedicated to providing high-quality seeds. We're committed to providing you with the best. What we like. This mix offers a stunning display of color and size variation. It's a great choice for adding beauty to your garden. If you want a diverse range of colors and sizes, you should consider this. What people say. Wow, like my title says, every seed that came with this packet germinated and grew. In a week, you could already see that they were growing up out of the ground. I have about 4 mammoth sunflowers growing and a few others that haven't bloomed yet. Number 1. Survival Garden Microgreen Seeds. Grow your own healthy and delicious microgreens right in your kitchen. It's easier than you think, and they're packed with nutrients. This 10-pack includes a mix of herbs, vegetables, and greens. From arugula to beets, there's something for everyone. These tiny sprouts are super healthy and add valuable nutrition to your diet. Use them in smoothies, salads, or as a tasty garnish. It's easy to grow these seeds. All you need are a few simple supplies, planter trays, soil, and a source of light and water. Each pack comes with easy-to-follow instructions, perfect for beginners and experienced gardeners alike. Plus, learn helpful seed-saving tips. These high-quality, non-GMO heirloom seeds are open-pollinated and untreated for the best germination. Support a family-owned business. What we like. This kit provides a wide variety of microgreens for a healthy and delicious addition to your diet. It's perfect for those who want to grow their own food easily. If you are looking for a convenient way to grow nutritious microgreens, you should consider this one. What people say. Within about 5 days the microgreens are ready to eat. Very pleased with the quality and quantity of the seeds provided. My seeds sprouted exactly as I had hoped for and desired. This proves to me that they were fresh and quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.